Hey Curly Cam, welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe and click the little bell button before you leave. But if you're an oldie but a goodie, welcome back. Okay, so as you read by the title, today we're doing a DIY deep conditioner. And when I tell you, I'm so excited because I never done anything DIY. Like, for myself. Like, I done followed a whole bunch of other people's DIY, you know, concoctions or whatever. But I was like, I want to do it for myself and see where it gets me. And I want to try a deep conditioner. So here we are. And I'm ready to see if this deep conditioner is going to work for my hair. Or is it just going to be me mixing up stuff and putting it on my hair for fun, you know? Okay, so for today's DIY deep conditioner, it's DIY-ish, you know. I'm gonna add, you know, some products in there, but some of it is, you know, DIY. But the first thing, if you have been following my channel for a little minute, you know that some videos back I tried Tropic Girl Naturals, and I was thinking it would be a great idea to add their hair tea into this DIY deep conditioner. And I did 2 to 3 tablespoons of this, and I put it in 2 cups of water and I boiled it, and this is where we are now. It's still kind of warm, and we're gonna add that in later. And also, my Walmart finally upgraded and got aloe vera, so I'm going to put this in the deep conditioner as well. I'm also going to put yogurt in there, but I left the yogurt in the kitchen. And I'm also going to add just a little bit of a nice and creamy detangling conditioner by Texture ID, this one. So that is what's going to be in the mixture. Hopefully, you know, it comes out well and my hair starts feeling amazing afterward. But if it doesn't, it was just a nice little experiment on my hair. So now we're just gonna start cutting up the aloe vera. So I cut up all the pieces, and here they are. So now I'm going to cut off the sides because you don't need it. That's the prickly part anyway. Cut off the prickly parts, and then I'm going to cut it in half. Okay, so I finished cutting it all up. Now I'm going to go to the blender and put it in the blender and blend it all up, and come back with it blended, you know, and come back with the yogurt so I can put it all together and make my deep conditioner and see is it gonna do well on my hair. And the products that I used on my hair so far is the Moisture Miracle pre-shampoo, because I had it in a twist, old braid out, and you know, I wanted to detangle before I did any of that. And why is there aloe vera on my shirt? It's everywhere. Anyway, after that, I'm gonna use a shampoo. I don't know what shampoo I want to use just yet. Okay, I'm back, and I blended up all of the aloe vera in here, and I got 1/4 of yogurt in here. Can't see it because, you know, white, but there it goes. And now we're just gonna blend all the 3 products up together and, you know, see what happens. Okay. I just poured all of this in here. I wasn't thinking, you know, and now it's a liquid. So before I get started showing you what happened, I want you to keep in mind I tried to make a small deep conditioner, something this big. But what I end up making, I made 3 times the amount I wanted. I mean, it's not a bad thing, but it's not necessarily a good thing either, because this is a lot. It's a whole lot, and I don't know what I'm gonna do with all this. But I'm gonna have to try it on my head and see if it works or not. And what I wanted to do was transfer it into this empty pre-shampoo thing so I could store it in my fridge. But this is huge. This is not gonna fit in my fridge. I mean, can I close it? To be honest with you, I don't know how this is gonna work, but it is what it is at this point. I done made it, so I gotta use it some kind of way, and let's just see what happens. But this is what my hair is looking like now after using the Main Choice shampoo. I like when I use the Main Choice shampoo because my curls get very much so defined and so cute and nice.
Come on and dance with it. Come on, shake it like you know it, baby. Come on and dance with it.
Looking like it's I don't know if it's doing anything, because I don't normally do DIY deep conditioners, so I don't know if it's doing anything or what. But that's what my hair is looking like. I have a little curl definition, and yeah, this is what it's looking like. I think I might need to add a little bit more on the ends, but that's pretty much it. So I'm gonna finish my whole head, then I'll come back and show you my hair. hair, and you know, it was full all the way to the top, and I only used that much, and I still have the whole thing. So, you know, still got a lot of deep conditioner left. Probably gonna have to, you know, use it on everybody I know so I can get rid of it, you know. But yeah, this is what my hair is looking like right now. Really defined, really looking good, you know. I'm liking it. So what I'm gonna do now is tie my hair up, and I don't know, I honestly don't. Tie my hair up, and I guess sit for 30 minutes. Okay, I'm back, and I let the deep conditioner sit in my hair for like an hour. So I'm gonna show you guys what it's looking like. This is what it's looking like. Curls are popping. My hair feels really good, and it is, since I didn't know it was my sister's wash day, so I used the deep conditioner on her hair as well, and it is a great detangler. Her hair is denser than mine. She has type 4C hair, I have type 4B, so the fact that I was able to detangle her head with this deep conditioner was amazing. And yeah, I think this is a good deep conditioner. I'm glad that I made it. I had fun making it, but now that I see that my hair is, you know, looking nice and feeling nice, I'm pretty happy. So now I'm going to go wash it out and see what my hair is like after I wash it out, because as you know, on my channel, the #1 rule is you don't know how it does until you wash it out, because it can look all nice and good, you know, while it's in your hair, but when you rinse it out, it could take a turn for the worse. So I'm gonna go rinse it out, and I'll be back to show you guys what my hair is looking like. So it gave me that squeaky feeling, like I can hear the squeakiness, which I don't think is that bad, because I can use, you know, moisturizing products afterward to kind of tone it down, I think. But yeah, this is my hair after deep conditioning. It feels really good, it feels healthy. So in conclusion, I love the deep conditioner. Will I make it again? Yes. Will I use it again? Yes. I'm not ready to put it in my refrigerator, so I'm ready for next week when I use it again, or I don't know if I'll use it again or not, or if I'll, you know, either way I go, I like the deep conditioner and I will use it again. But yeah, that's it for this video. If you do try to make this deep conditioner, don't do what I did. Don't pour all of your liquid moisture in there before you start mixing it up, and then it turns into complete liquid. You know, take your time pouring it, because if you don't, you'll end up with water like I did, and you have to keep on adding extra yogurt. But I don't mind it. My hair feels good. So now I'm just finna finish my wash day. Don't know what I'm gonna do to style my hair, but yeah, that's pretty much it. But I think I'll leave all the measurements down below in the description box. But you could, you know, you can tailor it for your hair, because I know you don't want 32 ounces of deep conditioner unless you're trying to, you know, deep condition everybody's hair in your family. I know you don't want 32 ounces of deep conditioner. Well, that's it for this video, guys. I'll leave everything down below in the comments, but before you go, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and click that little bell button so you never miss the next time I upload. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.